Alright, hello everyone. It is time for basement fire alarm test 52. And the LCD is bugging out again. That's lovely. Anyway, let's go and take a look at all the devices I have installed today. So, if we go down to the pull station, you can see that I have put the Honeywell XLS 278 pull station here. If we can focus, there we go. Is under the stopper, which the horn is not on that. I might turn it on for a future test, but it's not for today. That Honeywell XLS 278 is pretty much the same thing as an EST SIGA, as you can see. As a matter of fact, it does have a SIGA style module on the back of it, but it is obviously bypassed. It's got the key lock on there. Man, my camera does not want to focus today. Please, can we get some focus? There it is. Okay. XLS 278. That's the pull station. Moving up to the horn strobe spot, as you can see, we have a Genesis device. This is actually not a horn strobe, it is a chime strobe. I believe the model of this is G1RF-CVM. It is set on 15 candela, and it will be doing the continuous chime pulse. I got this about 6 months ago, probably, from Jake, otherwise known as Kansas Fire Alarms. I traded him a Simplex T-Bar for this, and this was new in box. As you can see, it is in very, very nice condition. So thank you, Jake, for that. I will link his channel in the description. You should go check him out. He's pretty cool. He makes good content. You should subscribe to him. Anyway, enough sponsoring people. Let's go ahead and pull the alarm. Lift. Lift. And pull. Okay, so we have silenced the system. Since this is a two-wire device, there's no audible silence, of course, because you can't really do that if the horn and strobe are wired together. So that's shut off. Let's turn our attention back to the pull station so we can reset that. Key's got a little tangled up in my pocket there. There we go. Let's move the stopper out of the way. Put the key in. Turn it to open. Get the stopper out of the way again. Flip the switch down. And that's a little side note. I did finally fix the screws in here. When you watch Basement Fire Alarm Test 53, it was actually recorded before this video. Why I decided to do 53 first, I don't really remember. But I fixed the screw situation on this, so now it's pretty tight. It's not going anywhere. So yeah. Go ahead and put this back in place. Stopper's back in place, so that's reset. Let's move right back to the panel, which has even more lovely LCD bugs on it. And we'll reset. Okay. So that is the end of the video today. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to check out the links in my description. Thank you, and have a great day.